Gonna happen?
At that.
That's awesome. What do you think is gonna happen when you mix it?
Take a picture.
I'm taking a video.
I think it'll make purple.
You think so?
Mm-hmm.
Let's find
Let
out.
me mix it real quick.
Let's find out.
I was wrong.
Well, hold it to the light. See what it looks like. That looks pretty purple to me. It's a very dark purple, though.
I'll add a little more red, maybe.
Yeah?
Maybe that will help.
Well, let's find out.
Ah!
Okay, I think that's probably good, right?
And one more little drop of this to make it a little lighter.
Well, I don't think that'll make it lighter, but we'll find out.
That's good.
So now if you can stir it, or if you want to put the cap on, you could shake it.
Okay, let's put cap on this.
What does your assistant, Hamothy, think?
You mean Nuckies?
No, look. Look who just popped up to look.
He thinks it's good so far.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Make sure that they're on tight if you're going to stir or shake them, okay?
I'm done with these ones.
Oh, those putting the cap on because you're all done?
Yeah. And now
So did the one turn out purple for you or what?
purple.
You didn't tell me. Oh, you were right?
Yes.
Okay. Now what are you making?
A little. Another one that's gonna be green. That's the right amount. Just a tiny bit more. Now my assistant Knuckles is here.
Hi, Knuckles.
Yep. Let's put some green in that one. Say bye to the red. So I do not need red. Two drops for that one.
Yeah.
Mhm.
What do you think would happen if you put a little yellow in that green?
It would turn. I'll put yellow and then more green to see.
Well, what do you think is going to happen?
I don't know
That's why you have to find out?
what these two make.
Go ahead. Tiny bit. Because it doesn't have the dropper, so. There you go.
It dropped.
Mhm.
It dropped.
We had to take it apart, huh? Technical difficulties. All right, stir it. What happens?
Nothing.
Are you sure?
Nothing happened. It's just a darker green.
Why would it be darker? Put the lid and do this.
I'll shake it up.
Gently, right?
Get on there. Now the cap won't get on. Now it's time for the different thing that I. Seriously?
To get some on you.
Mhm.
Sometimes you
My
get,
lab coat.
sometimes you get a little science on your hand, huh? This is why you gotta be very careful, right?
Mm-hmm.
Well.
Science is almost over, but not just yet. Will this stain forever?
It can. We'll find out. We'll wash it.
My hand. Bling, bling, bling.
So what are we doing here?
I'm just trying to clean this real quick.
We'll clean when you're done. What are you doing? What is the science here?
I'm
Oh,
not
be
really
careful by the
sure.
yellow. Remember, there's no lid.
I'll just put it over here.
Okay.
There. To be safe with it. So, I'm trying to make this work, but I don't think it's gonna.
What are you trying to do?
I'm trying to make a little potion of each of these in one of these.
Okay.
I don't think this is gonna work.
You don't think it's gonna make anything?
No.
Well, at least you learned about the colors a little bit, right?
I'm gonna pour this in.
Okay. Well, hold on. Why don't you pour the regular water out into your big cup, and then that way you can just mix the colors and see what happens.
I'm not gonna mix it. I have to get all of these caps off first. Just get the blue one's cap off. Twisted it by accident.
That's okay.
First, we're going with the blue
Okay.
to match with the cup. Now the yellow.
You'll have to tell me if it changes when you put it together.
It changed to green.
Really?
And now the green. More green. Changed to black. Like a blacky green.
Like a dark green?
And for the red.
And when you put the purple, what happened? You gonna stir it?
I'm just gonna put some red to make it more like and now let's mix it.
You got your
Turn
safety
into
goggles
black.
on?
Turn it into like a blacky thing.
Yeah.
So I knew this wouldn't work.
So why don't you pour a little in one of the vials so we can see it? Oh, that's kind of like a purpley. Put it in the vial.
Brownie.
It's like brown?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so put it in there. Let's see it in the light. Put it by the light. Is this science you can eat or drink?
No.
You don't think?
No.
What would happen if you drink it?
I don't know.
Only one way to find out.
I'm not doing it. Mama,
Love?
can you eat food coloring?
Well, yeah, it colors food, honey. I mean, you don't want to drink a whole bunch of it. I'm pretty sure it make your tummy hurt, but
Alright, so what'd you get?
I'm trying to close this.
That's okay. Just hold it to the light. Let's take a look. Oh, there you go. Careful.
That's
Don't
kind
spill
of-
it.
I knew it
It
was.
is kind of black, isn't it?
Yeah. I knew this wouldn't work, Daddy.
Alright.
I think I'm gonna make a Barbie's hair change color. That's what I want to do.
When?
I don't really know. Next time I'll think we'll do that. And thanks for watching. Bye. Get away.